Halloween? They got a Halloween place up already?
Cocoa is available everywhere with the iHeartRadio app, now #1 for podcasts.
Halloween already.
Taking care to finish first.
It's the start of September, and you got Halloween up already?
Recipes have been coming up missing all over the forest. Goodie shops have been going out of business for months, and the trail ends here. I got a taste of this.
Oh boy.
We've got 4 suspects, and that means 4 stories. We get people talking long enough.
What is he doing?
I don't know.
I don't make a quick phone call.
I'll tell you what happened.
He put too much gas on his tires. Went too fast for it to.
Maybe he's drunk.
Probably is.
Let him go.
Okay.
He did not even.
Button, you're doing what it says. So if you push the button now, you would actually move it. What's that guy doing?
The business owner has to be aware that the banana is there. So what kind of policies
Ay! Ay!
The Corvette's got a lot of futuristic stuff on it for 2004, okay? Watch out. Did you see that thing? Somebody hit that part of that retaining wall. It was sticking out. I didn't want you to hit it. That's dangerous. I don't know if I'd have pulled out that guy.
Yeah,
That was a little close. Ooh, watch out, watch out, watch out. They got all kinds of stuff going on. Got that dump truck opening up the door. Got this lady backing out. That's one right there. See, it's right now it's folded up instead of laid flat. And it's got a ramp on it that goes out to, you just drive right up. Or, well, you don't want to sit on it and drive, especially me. What's that guy doing over there?
rule of law, so helping secure our border, and we got to put pressure on the Biden administration.
Good job, buddy. Good
A lot of
job.
other people need to learn.
what?
It's a long drive, huh? The
It was.
mountain.
Uh-oh, this guy.
The mountain is far.
Oh, okay there, buddy. He just changed his mind where he wants to go. What I got? He was behind. He doesn't know where he wants to go. He was behind me. Then he passes me on the right. Then he passes me. He don't know where he wants to go. Let's see what he does next. Other than tailgate that car that's ahead of him.
I think he's
He's
drunk.
driving all down the middle of the road.
I think he's drunk.
What lane does he want?
What?
Oh, then he's gonna run. What's he doing? Now he's gonna change. I thought he was running the red light there for a second.
I think he's drunk.
I'm tempted to follow him just to see what happens next, but. Oh no, he just threw up.
No, he's drunk.
He just.
Because he's drunk. No.
I'm just kind of curious. We're going in nowhere particular. Yeah, he opened up the door and threw up.
driving crazy.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand. Call
Turn right in front of them.
Yeah. So.
A friend brought over to his house during a sleepover. Max Mendoza was hanging out with his friend when
that was
the
a
gun
close
went
call.
off.
I mean, the raw again, didn't it? 3. Or was that? That was a 3. What the heck happened up here?
Someone got into it.
Ooh, that was a bad crash. Look, this guy's upside down.
Oh boy.
Airbags deployed. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, one car all tore up in the front end, and the other car upside down. And big traffic jam.
It's already slow southbound on the I-5 getting onto that Coronado Bridge, which is backed up just about full span now. An accident on the eastbound side of the bridge right at the toll plaza. The car hit the guardrail there and knocked off the slowdown coming off the island. So good drive out of the South Bay northbound 505 in the North County is accident-free so far this morning.
Oh, that's why.
Oh boy. You can go around this guy. How in the heck did he do that? Somebody hit him. Pretty good.
Nope, I don't hate anything.
You're okay. Alrighty. paramedics are working on somebody there in the street. Oh, there's motorcyclists involved. Doesn't look good.
Americans weighing in on the president's job performance. That is straight ahead. And right now, let's get to your roads with Darren Edwards. Is that fat-wielding guy still out there? He has been taken into custody, and rightfully so, I should say. Hey, first of all, this report is sponsored by Gomez Trial Attorneys. Yeah, folks, we have an incident on the westbound 94. In fact, a stick alert has now been issued by the CHP for this incident. There's still lanes blocked on the westbound 94 at the 15 connector. This involved an earlier incident where a vehicle broke down. The driver of that vehicle got out of the vehicle in travel lanes and began swinging the baseball bat at passing motorists. This is not a joke. I can't make this stuff up, folks. So lanes are still blocked on the westbound 94, though traffic is beginning to move again through the City Heights area. The southbound 15 connector ramp to the westbound 94 is still closed at this time.
They got the crazy guy strapped to a gurney.
Paramedics and all sorts of emergency units are all over this situation.
Looks like they got him wrapped in a straitjacket.
Into downtown San Diego.
There are concerns the nation could head into winter with the smallest stockpiles of heating oil in more than 2 decades. The Energy Information Administration says storage of the distillates used for heating oil and for diesel for transportation are enough to meet 31 days of demand. That's the tightest for this time of year since the year 2000. IBM announced a vaccine
Oh, yeah. A little bit of rain in California and people can't not handle it. Oh, man.
Rain, lightning, and thunder in San Diego? You bet. I'm Cliff Albert in the Koga News Center. A line of thunderstorms moving through the San Diego area right now. We've had severe thunderstorms and flash flood warnings, and now even a special marine warning.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my hand, call
What a traffic jam this is going to be.
Older people are now vaccinated at higher rates, so that we now see 73% of 65 and older are vaccinated, fully vaccinated. Now, I'm looking at those of you who are the 27%, and I'm asking, what the hell are you thinking? But hey, that's your choice.